Welcome, in front of me I have REALME C3i, and today I'll show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. So when I open the Gmail, here I can find the free accounts, right? So if you want to log out from one of them, you have to go right here on the right upper corner, then go to manage accounts on this device, choose the Google, then pick the account that you want to remove. I think that I'm going to remove this one. So click, tap on the right upper corner, click to remove account. Let's confirm. Now just wait. And as you can see, after a few moments, this account is not anymore on the smartphone, and it was also removed from our Gmail. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.